Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we have a brand new toy from Hey Duggy, and it's the Clubhouse. We're going to open it up, and it has fun furniture included with opening doors. And here's our Duggy figure. He's pretty big. And if we turn the back of the box, there's a little window to see inside the clubhouse. And you can see there's all sorts of stickers on the walls, windows, furniture. We're going to check it out. So we need to take off the tape and open the box. And we'll pull the clubhouse out. So let's take our Duggy figure out. He's got a hard body, a little black round nose, and he's got a piece that attaches so that he can stand upright because his legs are very skinny. If you put him on the ground, he topples over. So that's why they have this piece with two holes to put his legs in, and he can stand up all on his own. The clubhouse has a sticker on the door, so we'll take that off. The doors open up, and look, there's even a little kitty waiting by the door. Meow. Now we're going to have a look at the furniture inside. It's all protected in plastic, so we're going to take each piece out and remove the plastic. So we have a purple desk with yellow doors, little pink table, and it looks like some sort of a chart or a graph. And inside, you can see there's all sorts of supplies on the stickers, glue, a watering can, spray bottle, clock, all sorts of fun stuff on the walls. There's a large red door on the side. It opens and closes. And the top of the door says Clubhouse. It's a sign. There's colorful windows, pink, yellow, blue, green. And Duggy wants to go in the clubhouse. Woof. There we go, Duggy. We shut the doors. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with the blue hippo Weeble in the Weeble's treehouse, and he has lots of friends, high and low. How many friends do you see? We have the purple elephant in the yellow swing. Did you see the button sitting beside Mr. Hippopotamus? It's a blue button with a flower. See if you can hear any animal sounds. What do you hear? It's a bird chirping. There's a miniature yellow Ferris wheel beside the treehouse, and it plays music when we turn the red handle. There are room for 3 friends. The purple cow, the elephant, and Mr. Hippo. Oh, and the pot is spinning with the Ferris wheel. What is the pot cooking for lunch today? Let's open up the treehouse. We have a few ingredients. I see some mustard, some mayonnaise, some pickles, and let's see what's in the red treasure chest cooler. It's cheese slices. They need to stay cool, so that's why they're in the cooler. I think he's making sandwiches today. What do you think? And the dog with the red cap is, playing on the slides. He came out the blue door. Let's try that again. Whoa, and he was spinning too. Now there's a big red slide. How does he go down that one? Maybe right here? Whoa! Good job, Mr. Dog. And he also has a tool shed out back. He just fixed a little scooter. Let's give it a test drive. Well, I had fun exploring this tree house today. Hope you did too. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're hanging out at the Sesame Street Fisher-Price Clubhouse. And today we have a special letter. Bert and Ernie, what is today's letter? It's the letter S. Let's see if we can find things that start with S. Count loves to go back and forth on the swing. Swing starts with S. Bert knows something else that starts with the letter S. What is it, Bert? Oh, he's moving. Where is he going? Oh no, you're going to fall down that hole, Bert. Look out. Oh, Bert was going down the slide. A slide starts with the letter S. Grover knows something else that starts with S. Stairs. Where did Grover go? He's out back. Oh, look out below. He must have come out that door. Let's see. Yes, it's a secret slide. Something else that starts with S? Sesame Street. The name Sesame Street has 3 letter S's. Can you think of something around your house that starts with the letter S? And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today our toys are visiting Strawberry Shortcake Land. And Strawberry Shortcake herself is showing the toys around. Beep beep. Daniel Tiger and Tiggy are riding the Strawberry Shortcake car. Hi guys. I'm looking forward to exploring today. Welcome to Strawberry Shortcake Land. I'm Strawberry Shortcake and I'll be showing you around today. There's a pool, water slide, smoothie shop, and clothing store. First stop is the pool. And there's a pink slide. Bluey's going to go all the way down. And at the bottom is her little sister Bingo in the kiddie pool. And of course, Mom is watching. It's important to always have an adult watch us while we're in the water. Whee! That was fun. Now we're off to visit the clothing boutique where all of our clothes are hand sewn with organic cotton, better for the environment. Let's go on inside. The top of the boutique looks like a giant raspberry. Peppa and George find matching strawberry hats. Oh, look, George, I love this hat. It covers my nose and my eyes to protect them from the sun. And it'll also keep me cool on very hot days. Let's buy them, George. Oh, yes, that hat looks great on you, Peppa, and you too, George. Our final stop is a strawberry smoothie, bakery, and cafe where we bake organic cookies and muffins and make fresh, organic fruit smoothies. Daniel Tiger sees the muffins and cupcakes but decides to get a smoothie because it's healthier. Banana and strawberry. Even Strawberry Shortcake decides to have a smoothie. Well, thank you for the tour, says Daniel Tiger. Whee! George is having a ride on the birdie on top of the cafe. Okay, Tiny fans, did you spot this miniature Dora doll somewhere earlier in the video? If not, you can go back and have a look. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Kitty is joining me and I am so excited. There are some toys that I find that I was like, I never knew this existed, and it's the Mega Bloks, the wonderful Wizard of Oz playset, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It comes with 5 characters, it lights up, it plays music. Let's get started. As you all know, Dorothy is the main character in The Wizard of Oz, and she has her dog Toto, and when she lands in Oz, she gets the ruby slippers, but her slippers aren't red, so let's make them red with the red light. Turn it on. Ooh, and you can see the lights glowing, and you can see the red light shining through the clear part where her shoes are, and it makes them look red, like ruby slippers. Kitty likes the lights. And now she's ready to go down the yellow brick road where she meets her friends. Do you remember who she runs into first? Well, she starts to pick up apples off the ground and she meets the Scarecrow, and he's missing his brain. So let's see what part of the Scarecrow lights up. Now, if you look very carefully, you can see a blinking red light on his nose. The Scarecrow joins Dorothy to head to the Wizard of Oz to meet the wizard. But first, they run into the next friend. It's the Tin Man, and he needs a heart. Look, his little heart glows. It looks like it's beating in his chest. We can see it better if we turn the lights off. And the 3 of them continue on the yellow brick road, but they run into the Wicked Witch. Hee. The witch has blue skin on the toy, but green skin in the movie. Her little mouth lights up and it makes it look like she's talking. Whee! The Wicked Witch disappears and they continue on into the woods. And do you know the last friend they meet? Let's check behind the pink door. It's the lion, and he needs courage. Let's put the lion on the light. His medal of courage he received from the Wizard of Oz glows. Well, they reached the Emerald City, Let's turn the set around and show you the yellow brick road that folds down. And there are places for the characters to stand. And what I love most about this set is there's a beautiful rainbow. Remember Dorothy sings Somewhere Over the Rainbow? The beginning of the movie. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Well, I hope you enjoyed exploring this toy as much as I did. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with cute little Pooh Bear and we are going to explore this miniature play set I found at the second-hand store. Let's go inside this log building. We open it up and there is some colorful clothing hanging on the wall. There's even a tack shop, and if we go up the stairs, somebody is sleeping in the bed. Piglet, although his ears are too long to fit on the bed properly. Time to wake up, Piglet. Boing, boing. Tigger is outside bouncing. Boing, boing. He bounces as high as he can and spins the yellow windmill. Hoo, hoo. Look who's on the roof of the building. It's Owl. Rabbit is looking for Gopher because Gopher's been eating out of Rabbit's garden again. There he is. Eeyore is thirsty. He takes a drink from the little stream. Kanga and Roo hear something hiding in the trees. Look, it's a deer and a little baby fawn. Christopher Robin has set up the tent and he's ready to roast marshmallows to make s'mores by the campfire. He's waiting for all of his friends. And they sing songs around the campfire. All right, Tiny fans, did you spot the miniature Dora backpack somewhere earlier in the video? If not, you can go back and have a look. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Here is Nunu. And we are going to have fun with our Fisher-Price car ramp today. There are balls inside and we have a little red truck that's going to catch the balls. But first, let's watch Nunu go down the ramp. Let's count down from 3 and I'll let Nunu go down the ramp. 3, 2, 1, go! Look, Nunu, here comes one of the Teletubbies. Honk, honk. It's Po. Ayo! And she's riding on a red fire truck. Beep, beep. Ayo, Lala. She's riding a yellow school bus. Honk, honk. Dipsy is riding the green recycling truck. Tinky Winky is caught in traffic. We will see him later, but the show must go on. We have our little red dump truck, and it's got a spinning ball inside when it moves. When it goes down the ramp, it's going to catch the balls that are inside. We have a red ball and a white ball. First, it's going to pick up the white ball. Uh-oh, it didn't work this time. It got stuck. Let's try it again. Yay, it picked up the white ball. It looks like a soccer ball. Now it's time to pick up the red ball. Success! Now it's time to celebrate. Here comes Tinky Winky. Hooray! Tinky Winky was riding the ice cream truck. It's time for ice cream. Before we go, we wanted to see if you spotted the Dora backpack somewhere early in the video. If not, you can go back and have a look. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye! We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Peppa and her friends are going to be playing in the Doggy water park. But first, before the fun can begin, we have to open our little Doggy surprise. Peppa will help us. Let's open the surprise. What an adorable little puppy. And he comes with this sparkly pink boot. So fun. All right, time to open the last surprise. Aww, he's holding a yellow sparkly bone. So cute. Let the fun begin. Peppa's going to go down the slide first. Let's activate the water. Whee! Oh, Peppa, wasn't that just the most fun? It sure was. Why don't we let the dogs go down now? Looks like Peppa better get out of the way. Let's get out of the way, you guys. Aw, he's all wet now. Aw, looks like the puppies are tired and ready for their naps. Oh no, it looks like Daddy Pig's trying to go down the water slide. What if he doesn't fit? Be careful, Daddy Pig.
Oh, relax, I'll be fine.
Oh, goodness. It looks Daddy Pig can't even move. Maybe we should give him a little push. Oh no! Daddy Pig, are you all right?
Oh, I'm fine, yes. Just a little nap will fix me.
Aw, Daddy Pig is sleeping with the puppies. Is everyone all right? We heard a big crash. Oh no, Daddy Pig, are you okay?
Oh, yes, I'm fine. I just had a little tumble down the water slide.
Well, let me check you over. I'm actually a doctor. Really? Yes. Oh, you seem to be just fine.
Oh, thank you, Minnie.
You're welcome, Daddy Pig.
Why don't you go have fun in the water park?
Oh, of course. Woohoo! And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Dora was hiding somewhere in today's video. If you didn't see her, go back and take a look.
We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.